Clearing a paper jam. By selecting materials carefully and loading them correctly, you can prevent paper jams. If there is a paper jam, a message is displayed. It indicates which doors and trays you must open to clear the jam. Never use tools to clear a paper jam, as this could permanently damage parts of the system. Work through the messages one after another. If there is a paper jam in the vicinity of the document feeder, open the cover. Remove any originals still in the document feeder. Carefully pull the jammed originals out of the document feeder and the original output. Close the cover. Open up the document feeder. Open the paper guide. Carefully pull out the jammed originals. Close the paper guide again. If there is a paper jam on the right-hand side of the system, hinge down the bypass tray. Open the bypass tray. Carefully pull out the jammed paper. Close the bypass tray again. Open the duplex unit. You will need to move the jammed paper forwards before you can carefully pull it out. Close the duplex unit again. Open the right-hand side of the system. Draw back the cover of the fixing unit. You will need to move the jammed paper forwards before you can carefully pull it out. Paper may also get jammed in the lower paper feeding area. You will also need to move any paper jammed here forwards before you can carefully pull it out. Paper jam in the trays 1 and 2. First, make sure that any paper jams on the right-hand side of the system have been cleared. Then carefully pull out the relevant paper tray completely. Carefully pull out the jammed paper. Remove the remaining paper. Flick through it thoroughly. Align the paper edges neatly. Reload the paper. Now close the paper tray. Paper jam in the trays 3 and 4. First, make sure that any paper jams on the right-hand side of the system have been cleared. Open paper tray 4. Open the paper tray 3 and the paper transport unit at the same time. Open the paper guide. Remove the paper. Close the paper guide. Push the paper transport unit and paper tray 3 back into position. Close paper tray 4.